Hi, Joe Conyers with SKF Maintenance Products, back with a tip from our bearing handbook for electric motors. This tip is using identical replacement bearings. So what do we mean by identical replacement? What we mean is we not only need to replace the bearing for its size, but also for its form, fit, and function. So how do we assure we get the exact bearing back into play? To do that, we need to call our local authorized SKF distributor, but you need to provide them information which you can find right on the bearing itself. So you're going to look at this bearing outer ring, and generally speaking, on the side face, as we call it, of the bearing, we will find a series of letters and numbers and perhaps symbols that all go together to make up the designation. As you go around the side face, you'll also find the manufacturer of the bearing, in this case SKF. So give them the manufacturer and the complete designation, and they'll provide you an identical replacement bearing. Otherwise, without this info, they might miss critical features, such as, does the bearing require a special seal or shield? What about the clearance in the bearing or the running accuracy? What if the bearing needs a particular type of grease? So, to avoid catastrophic failure that could lead to costly downtime, get the right info to your authorized SKF distributor for an identical replacement bearing. That's it. Thanks for watching.